In a world where distance can sometimes feel like an obstacle, Island Shipper is here to break the barriers of international shipping. Your ultimate solution for hassle-free shipping from anywhere in the world to Jamaica. We have created a seamless shipping experience for our valued customers.
They are affordable. If you stay here and you get delivered to your destination.
But our dedication and delivering excellence doesn't stop there. Our robust customer care team is always ready to go that extra mile for you. We understand that exceptional service requires exceptional people. That's why our team is comprised of world-class professionals who are experts in their fields. From logistics to technology and customer care, our team is here to ensure your parcels and packages are handled with the utmost care and efficiency. With Island Shipper, you can have peace of mind knowing that your shipment will arrive at your destination safely and on time. So, whether you're sending the gifts to loved ones, need to restock your Jamaican business, or simply want to indulge in a little retail therapy, Island Shipper has got you covered. Experience the refined way to deliver with Island Shipper. Sign up today and get a free US mailbox address to start shipping to Jamaica hassle-free. Island Shipper, your gateway to effortless, reliable shipping.